before I start unboxing these, rewinding and unboxing, let's see how much pressure I need to put to snap this in half. I am joking. I'm not gonna do that. I think you're looking for jerry rig everything if you wanna see somebody take a phone apart. I don't normally pre-order phones or get the newest phones, but this time I decided to get myself the S21 because of the deals available through my carrier. So right now I'm on my S10, which I bought just over a year ago, which I paid $440 for during a sale. And 15 months later, T-Mobile decided to say, hey, trade it in and we'll give you a brand new S21. So I feel like I couldn't pass on the deal because, it is a new phone. This phone is technically two model years old, and I wanted to do like a quick unboxing of the ones that I have. So I have 3 of them here. 2 of them are actually gray, and the middle one is the purple one. The violet, actually. These 2 are 128 gigs, and this is 256 gigs. So I'm just going to open it and see what it looks like, and then we'll do a little bit of a size comparison with the other 2 phones that I have here. So inside we have a little flap, and here is the phone. So this is the purple, or the violet S21. The back is plastic, it's no longer the glass. I don't have it turned on, and it feels pretty light. Actually feels the same amount. I think it's a little bit lighter than my S10, but my S10 does have a case on it. It has 3 cameras in the back. You can get the specs online. I'm not going to repeat them. And let's see what else it comes with. So it comes with a little pin for the SIM card. Open this. Don't drop that. So it comes with the SIM card for T-Mobile. Looks like it comes with a USB-C cable, which is good. Glad they didn't get rid of this because they did get rid of the brick, the power brick. But whatever. This is USB-C to USB-C. Interesting. And the manual, quick reference guide, and that's about it. So it is disappointing that they did not include the charging brick along with the USB-C cable, and I guess I need to find something that has a USB-C charging port instead. But anyways, yeah. So if I unplug this, it'll be just a SIM card. You can see the size difference. This is my S10. It's about the same on the sides. It feels the same, so I'm just gonna take off my case, clear case, and let's see how it feels. Okay, so these still feel the same weight, and they're about the same size. One thing I liked about my S10 is that it has a curved screen, so it does extend. They stopped doing that with the S21s. My S10 also came with a screen protector that's installed, so the screen has actually been protected. I haven't ever dropped this phone so far, but I have to trade it in. The other disappointing part is that they got rid of the micro SD card storage, so you can't expand the storage. I have a 128 gig SD card in here, which I will either transfer to an external drive or move the files over into this S21, which is a 256 gig version. I feel like I needed to get that because I needed the extra space. Let's open this one. The contents are going to be the same, but I'll just show you the back. The gray. They also have a white version, which I did not get. And this is my S7. This is the only other phone I've ever pre-ordered. This is from 4 years ago, I guess. Yeah, S7 to S11. And it still works. I still use it to do stuff. It doesn't have a line, but it's a really good test phone. If you've watched any of my other videos, I tend to do a lot of stuff with Python and Raspberry Pis, and a second phone comes in handy. And you can see it's definitely a lot smaller. It's actually wider but smaller. It has some physical buttons. This one does not. But anyways, I guess I'll be spending some time moving stuff over to this. Well, there you go. There's not much else to show besides this is the exact same thing. But it's a 128 gig gray S21. So if you got the S21 and you want to share something, let me know in the comments below. And if you did get one, enjoy your new phone.